Hi, everybody. It's Christina Daves with this week's Get Famous Friday PR tip. This week, I want to talk about what's going on in the news right now, which is coronavirus. This is encompassing all news, all categories, all everything. So, what can you do that relates to your business to tie it back to that virus that can help you be the expert in your industry? I have a client who owns an HR company. He is going gangbusters, talking about, what does it mean if your people don't want to travel? There's conferences, there's events, there's meetings. What if they don't want to get on a plane? What if they don't feel safe? I have a television segment coming up, and people are concerned because they can't get their product in from China. So by the time it airs, everything could be really back ordered. What does that mean for the supply chain? Real estate agents. I work with a lot of real estate agents. My West Coast agents are telling me it's really impacting the market there because they have a large number of Chinese buyers. The buyers can't get on planes. They're banned to come here. The deals that were there on the table are falling apart. Financing is falling apart because some companies are really in trouble. So this is it right now. This is encompassing everything. So think about what you can talk about related to the virus to provide your expertise to help people in these industries. So that is this week's Get Famous Friday PR tip. If you like this one, I have many more generic tips in the challenge at yourprchallenge.com. We go through 10 days of building you as an influencer, and then how do you get media? How do you stand out as the expert? So go to yourprchallenge.com. I'll see you in the group, and then I'll see you in the media.